Hello, Scullies! Welcome back to the second part of Early Bird Gets a Pokemon Cards. We're going to open up the other Calyrex V box here. This is Ice Rider, so without further ado, let's get right on in and see what's inside this bad boy. This kind of looks like a dinosaur to me. I think it's the horns up here. So you can leave a comment down below if you'd like. Who do you prefer, Ice Horse or Shadow Horse? Because I think from what I can remember, the Calyrex, the Rider, is pretty much the same Pokemon. Whoa, okay. Calm down, camera. I don't think the camera likes Ice Rider. Anyways, let's take a look at this jumbo card. Very cool. He has like a ice lance right there. I don't think Shadow Rider has a lance. Let's find out. Are we still right here? I see no lance. Maybe it's invisible because it's a shadow. But there we go. Same packs inside. 2 Chilling Rain, 1 Darkness Ablaze, and 1 Rebel Clash. Some people don't like Rebel Clash, but I do. I'm not very picky. Alright, let's go Rebel Clash first. Inteleon pack. What do you have in store for us? Save that one for me. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's go. Fighting Chance energy. Tranquil the bird. Horror energy. Heatmore Sophia. Volt Orb. Nose Pass. Wingles. I wonder if they can see Blitzel from up there. Blitzel's in one of these little tiny icebergs. Phantom. Bronzor. 2 Bronzors. In the back we have a Reverse Hollow Seismitoad, which is a rare. Awesome. In the very back we have Hatterini Hollow Rare. She looks like she's in the woods. That might be the Blair Witch. Scary. Next up, Darkness Ablaze Eternatus pack. This is for... Ooh, okay. Lucky viewer. We know what color code card that is. Let's get ready to pull this Zard. Who wants to see a Zard get pulled? Another Fighting Chance energy. We have an Aridos. Spitting out poisonous stings. Flaffy. Yeah, I like this art. Flaffy reminds me of like Onyx, which is in the ground, and he kind of looks like he has that background as well. A furry. I used to have a little ferret. It was my cutest, funnest animal, but she was so mischievous. Wimpy. He looks happy, smiling with his eyes. Cub Chew-a-Chew. Skarmory. Why does his wings look backwards? Gothita singing to herself in the spotlight. Paris. Reverse Hollow Spinnerack in the very back. Come on, baby. Woo! White code card. I see some rainbow. Is it? Oh, it's Eternatus VMAX Rainbow. What? Oh, from the Eternatus pack. Oh, my lord. This is probably the best Darkness Ablaze card that I have pulled. Ooh. Wow. I didn't even know this was a card, to be honest. I haven't pulled either of the gold Eternatus cards from Shining Fates. So I think this is my first Eternatus card. And it's a Rainbow VMAX. Holla! Yes! Rainbow, don't mind if I do. Sleeve you up right away. Awesome! Ooh, oh man, yes! Alright, leave you right there. Alright. Okay, let's go move on to Chilling Rain. We have 2 packs. Can we pull something better than a Rainbow Rare? I would be very surprised if we could. Here we go. 2 Ice Rider Calyrex art packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, that rainbow looks so good. We have a Leaf Energy, Peony, a Caitlyn, Lucky, Skulllucky Energy, Rockruff, Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, fishing out that Shelter. I almost said Cloyster. Reverse Hollow Brawly in the very back. We have a non-hollow Volcarona, which is like a fire moth. Here we go. Last pack magic. What can it do for us? What you got? Show me what you got. To the front. And Metal Energy. Peony. Layron, drinking some water. Fire resistant gloves. Those look ovens. Athena, chilling under the mushroom. Aaron, doing his thing. Ralts, waltzing through the flowers. Venipede. Very cool. I like the overgrown stuff in there. Bone Sweet. And Reverse Hollow Spiral Energy. In the very back, we have Ampharos non-hollow. Chilling Rain let us down, but Darkness Ablaze saved it with the Rainbow Eternatus VMAX. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, no one likes to be disrespected. No disrespect.